Yes, and in yesterday's afternoon class, we have discussed about how to connect to Oracle. We have discussed in Oracle. We are seeing two admin logins, sys and system is there, and created Spot user. So in Oracle 11G, if you are using release one software, then you can get Spot user. If Spot user is there, you can unlock Spot user and you can use it. If Spot user is not available, then you can create a Spot user. You can give permissions. All these we can do it. Okay. And what is the command to see users in database? What is the command to see users? To see users in select asterisk from all underscore users. Select asterisk from all underscore users will show the users list. And if user is not available, we can create user. And after creating the user, we have seen how to grant permissions using connect resource DBA roles. We are giving permissions to the user. And after that, we are connecting to the new user. Yesterday, I've created uh, sample tables and we saw the examples also we saw. So we'll continue with the queries now. Yesterday, I've given spot user in capital letters. And if I'm trying to give in small letters, it is not accepting, it is not taking. On the phone. First, what I'm saying is yesterday I've created a spot tiger in capital letters. And when I'm doing login, if I give in small letters, it is not taking. So if I give in capital letters, it is taking here. And yesterday I've created two sample tables. And yesterday I've sent the sample tables to your group, Telegram group. How many of you have created a spot user in your laptop? Spot user, if it is there, no need to create. How many of you have created new login? New login, Spot or anything? How many of you have created sample tables? Sample tables creation. Done. Okay. Here, select asterisk from ERB. So yesterday we have created this table. Yesterday we have created this table. Means I did copy paste. And similarly, I've created EMP1, EMP2, all these are created. So now here row size is small here. By default, row size is only 80. So if I want to increase the row size, what is the command? Set line size 120 and giving. So here by default, row size is 80 characters. Here I am giving 120 characters here. So select asterisk from EMP. So EMP table containing all these values are there here. All these values are there. And yesterday I've given explanation for this table. So this EMP table is there, DPT table is there. You have to create both the tables because when we are using subqueries, when we are using nested subqueries, correlated subqueries, when we are using joins, then these two tables we are going to use. So in squad user by default, 4 sample tables will be there. EMP table, DPT table, sal grade and bonus is there. Okay. So here we are not creating the other two tables. Only two tables are enough so to see the examples. And here you can see employee number, employee name, job, MGR, height date, salary, commission, and department number is there. So EMP table, EMP sample table. This is sample table containing how many columns? Containing how many columns? How many? How many? How many? How many? 7. So 8 columns are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 columns are there. I know counting is very difficult. And here how many rows are there? How many records are there? How many? 14 records are there. So here you can see department number is there. Based on department number, we can see the records. With the department number 10, 3 records are there. You can count when you have time, you can count. With department number 10, 3 records are there. With department number 20, 5 records are there, 5 records. And with department number 30, 6 records are there. With department number 36 records are existing. Okay. And here you can see employee number and MGR number are having similar values. So similar values are there. Similar values are existing. So employee number is given as MGR number for the subordinates. Employee number is given as MGR number for the subordinates. So that there we can see repetition. We can see employee number is repeated as MGR number for the subordinates. Yesterday afternoon I told this. Here you can see. Here you can see King is there. King is the president. And under president, managers will work. Under managers, other employees are there. And under analyst also, like business analyst, like employees are working. Here you can see King president employee number is 7839 is there. 7839. And the same number is repeated here. Here you can see Jones manager 7839. And here you can see Blake manager 7839. And clerk manager 7839. So president employee number is given as MGR number for managers. And here you can see Jones manager is there and the employee number is 7566. And here you can see 7566 here. Scott analyst 7566 is there. Okay. And here you can see Ford analyst is there here. Here you can see Ford analyst is at 7566. 2 analysts are working. And here you can see Blake manager is there. So here you can see 7698 is there. Here you can see Ellen salesman 7698. And here Ward salesman 7698. Martin salesman 7698. And here you can see Turner salesman 7698 and James clerk 7698. Okay, so under Blake 5 employees are working. Next clerk is there. Under this clerk employee number is 7782. Here you can see. Here you can see Miller clerk 7782 is given here. 7782. One employee. And here you can see analyst is there. Scott analyst 7788. So here you can see 7788 means here you can see this. So Adams clerk 7788. Under Scott one employee is working here. underscore. And here you can see the other values also here. And here you can see Ford analyst is there, Ford, and 7902 is there. Here you can see 7902. Smith clerk. So in EMP table, employee number and MGR number are having similar values. Employee number is repeated as MGR number for the subordinates. And you can see employee salaries, and here commission is there. So here only four employees are having commission. Salesmen are having commission. For remaining employees, null values are there. And here you saw department number. So with department number 10, how many employees are there? With department number 10, how many employees are there? 3 employees are there. Please, you have to remember a few things. And with department number 20, 5 employees are there. And with department number 30, 6 employees are there. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 6. So 14 records are there here. Okay. So now, yesterday we saw the queries here. So we'll continue with queries. Here you can see query to get employees working with department number 10. So here we have to use the where clause, we have to use. Where clause we need to use here. So here I am writing select asterisk from EMP where department number equal to 10. Department number 10 is given here. Where department number equal to 10. So in the select statement we are using where clause. Clause means condition. And here you can see asterisk is given, asterisk. So what do you mean by asterisk? What do you mean by asterisk? All the columns. After saying all, don't stop. After all, tell something. Tell something means columns. You should not say all the columns, all the rows, all the tables. It is not related to data. It is related to columns. Now department number 10. So here you can see it is showing the list of values with department number 10 here. Okay. And next query is getting employees having salary more than 2000. Then here I am giving like this. Select asterisk from EMP where salary greater than 2000. So here I am giving 2000 here. So here you can see here. So more than 2000, here you can see 6 employees are there. 6 employees getting more than 2000 salary. More than 2000 salary. And here you can see query to get managers list from EMP table. Query to get managers list. Query to get managers list from EMP table. Now here select asterisk from EMP where job equal to manager. Now here when you see the data in the table is in capital letters. Names are in capital letters. Names are in capital letters. Jobs are also in capital letters. They are in uppercase. They are in uppercase. Okay. So I am giving like this. Now select statement is in capital letters. And value in job, it is in lowercase. Manager is in lowercase. So if I give like this, will you get records? Yes or no? So answer is no. Okay. So here I am giving like this. Here I am giving like this. Select asterisk from EMP where job equal to manager. Where job equal to manager. So now select statement. Query is in lowercase. Query is in lowercase and the job is in capital letters. Manager. Manager is the value. Manager is the value in the table. Okay. So if I write like this, will you get the result? Yes or no? How many of say yes? How many of say yes? How many of say no? See, many are not giving answer. Please participate. Okay. If I write query like this, how many of say it will show records? How many of say yes? Okay. How many of say no? So here if I give like this, you will get result. You will get records. So here when you work with Oracle, when you are working with Oracle SQL commands are not case sensitive. If you write select command, yesterday I'm writing all in capital letters only. Create, insert command. SQL commands are not case sensitive. But the data in the table is case sensitive. మీరు select query lower case లో రాసిన upper case లో రాసిన ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. మీరు select query lower case లో రాసిన upper case లో రాసిన ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఆ టేబుల్లో డేటా ఏ కేసులో ఉందో అలాగే ఇవ్వాలి. టేబుల్లో డేటా మీకు మేనేజర్ అని అప్పర్ కేసులో ఉంది, అది ఇక్కడ అప్పర్ కేసులో ఇచ్చాను నేను. ఇలా వస్తుంది, ఇలా ఇస్తే వర్క్ అవుతుంది. లోవర్ కేసులో ఇస్తే మీకు వర్క్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే. సో ఇన్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ SQL commands, when you are working with Oracle, students, when you are working with Oracle, SQL commands are not case sensitive. SQL commands not case sensitive. నేను ఇప్పుడు కూడా అప్పర్ కేసులో రాస్తాను. నేను ఎందుకు రాస్తానంటే రాస్తాను అంతే. నేను SQL కమాండ్స్ ఎప్పుడు అప్పర్ కేసులో రాస్తాను. నేను మీరు ఏ కేసులైనా రాయించినారు. ఓకే. సో ఇన్ Oracle SQL commands are not case sensitive, but the data in the table is case sensitive. మీకు ఈ సీక్రెట్ తెలిస్తే చాలు. చాలా అంటే అక్కడ వరకు చాలు. సో here I am giving like this. Now select, now you all give correct answer now. Select asterisk from EMP where job equal to manager. Where job equal to manager. Select asterisk from EMP where job equal to manager. SQL command is in uppercase. Data is also in uppercase. If I give record like this, will you get records? Yes or no? So answer is yes. And here you can see, here we are writing query using operators, logical operators. And or not we are going to use. We'll use and or not we are going to use here. And or not. So if I want to get managers and clerks list. Students, listen carefully. All are giving correct answer only. So I want to get, see, till I ask, will it work or not, don't give answer. You keep your answer with you only. Okay. మీరు మీ ఆన్సర్ మనసులోనే పెట్టుకోండి, బయటికి చెప్పదు. అడిగినప్పుడు వేస్తాను అన్నప్పుడు చెప్పదు. ఓకే. సో ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్ప్లే మేనేజర్స్ అండ్ క్లర్క్స్ లిస్ట్. సో హియర్ ఐల్ సే సెలెక్ట్ asterisk from EMP where job equal to manager and job equal to clerk. So here I am giving like this, where job equal to clerk. Select asterisk from EMP where job equal to manager and the job equal to clerk. If I write like this, how many of you say it will work? How many of you say it will work? So how many of you say yes? How many of you say no? How many of you? Okay, again. So if I give like this, how many of you say it will work? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How many of you say no? Okay. So if I give like this, it will not show the result. Why it will not show a result is end operator means both the conditions should be true. Both end operator means both the conditions should be true. Means listen, boys. Please. The employee should be manager and the same employee should be clerk. End operator అంటే ఏంటి? ఎంప్లాయీ మేనేజర్ అయి ఉండాలి. ఆ మేనేజర్ మళ్ళీ ఏమై ఉండాలి? క్లర్క్ అయి ఉండాలి. అంటే అలా పాసిబుల్ కాదు. ఓకే, one person cannot do two jobs. In small companies they'll do it, but manager cannot be clerk. So here the meaning is employee should be manager, again the manager should be clerk, so it is wrong. So here we have to use or operator. Select asterisk from EMP where job equal to manager or job equal to clerk. Job equal to clerk. So or operator means any one condition can be true. Any one condition. Employee manager అవ్వచ్చు లేకపోతే employee clerk అవ్వచ్చు. Okay, రెండు సాధ్యం కాదు. Only one is possible. So here it is giving the result of managers and clerks. So if I want to get the list of managers having more than 2,900 salary. Okay, I want to get the list of managers. I want to get the list of managers having 2,900, more than 2,900 salary. Then select asterisk from EMP where job equal to manager or and salary greater than 2,900. So ఏంటంటే ఎంప్లాయీ మేనేజర్ అయి ఉండాలి, ఆ మేనేజర్ శాలరీ 2,900 ఉండాలి. రెండు కండిషన్స్ సాటిస్ఫై అయితేనే రికార్డ్ వస్తుంది మీకు. So only one manager is there with 2,000 more than 2,900 salary. So if I want to get the list of employees, if I want to get the list of employees except managers, except. So here I'll say select asterisk from employee EMP where job not manager, where job not manager. So if I give like this, will it work? Will it work? Yes or no? How many of you say yes? How many of you say no? మీరు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పరా? నేను అరవాలి నాకు ఎనర్జీ అంతా 9 o'clock క్లాస్ లో అయిపోద్ది. ఎనర్జీ అంతా నేను ఏమడిగానండి, ఆ క్వరీ వర్క్ అవుతుందా లేదా అంటే మీరు ఏదో చెప్పారు. If I write like this, will it work? Yes or no? Yes or no? How many of you say yes? How many of you say no? Okay, so here it is not working. It will not work. Here it is not working. So here we have to use symbol not. We can use not, less than, greater than, not. NOT not is not working here. So except managers, we are getting other employees. And we can use like this, not equal to. So here I am giving not equal to. If I say not equal to, then it is not equal to. Then it is showing same. Except managers, it is giving other employees. Write these, then we'll continue with next. Right from here. Continuation. Continue. Right. Open your notebooks fast. మీరు ఇలా అయితే లేట్ అయిపోతుంది మీరు బుక్ ఓపెన్ చేయడానికి ఒక గంట ట్యాబ్ ఓపెన్ చేయడానికి ఒక గంట తొందర రాయండి. The end operator means end operator in Telugu. End operator తెలుగులో చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్. ఎండ్ ఆపరేటర్ అంటే రెండు కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వాలి. అదే కదా వేరే చెప్తున్నారు మీరు. ఆర్ ఆపరేటర్ అంటే ఏదో ఒక కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అయితే చాలు. నాట్ అంటే నాట్ అంటే ఇంకా నాట్ ఇంకా Here less than greater than symbol is not, and exclamation mark equal to means not equal to. Listen, see when listen. See when select statement is executed, the execution is not from left to right. When select statement is executed, from will execute first. From will execute first. From table name. After that, select will work. Select will take the columns. Okay. Then where clause, where condition. In where condition, we'll give some condition based on the records are displayed. So we should not think that execution is from left to right. So in select statement, from table name will run first. It will take table from table name. After that, select asterisk or column names. ముందు from work అవుతుంది. From execute అయిన తర్వాత select. Select తర్వాత where clause. Whenever you are writing queries, based on the query you write, order of execution will change. Okay. So here in where clause, we can see operators here. So we can see like operator, then in operator, between end operator, is operator, all these are there. All these we are going to use in where clause, where condition, in select statement. Now I am telling select statements only to show records. Select statement will give you records. Here you can see like operator works on columns having characters, containing characters like employee name, employee job, department name. And here two symbols or special characters are used. One is underscore. Underscore represents one character. Percentage represents set of characters. Percentage. So here, if I want to get the names starting with A, if I want to get names starting with A here, then here I am giving like this. Select asterisk from EMP where ename like. Ename is the column name. After ename like operator. So here I'll say A percentage. So name should start with A. After A, it can have any number of characters. Percentage means any number of characters. So here you can see two employees. Ellen starting with A. Adams starting with A. And if I want to get the names like ending with some other letter, let us say N. If I want to get names ending with N, then I can use percentage N. So N is given. Percentage N. Okay. Percentage means before N it can have any number of characters. But last letter should be N. Like this we'll get. So if I want to get the names starting with, if I want to get the names with second letter A, first letter of the name can be anything, second letter should have A. So here I'll say like this. Select asterisk from EMP where ename like. Then here I'll say underscore A percentage. Underscore represents one character, one letter. First letter can be anything, but second letter should be A. So you can see this. So you can see what second letter A. A Martin A. Second letter James. Second letter A. If I want to get the names not starting with A, then here I'll say select asterisk from EMP where ename not like. not like a percentage. Not like a percentage. So except names starting with A, it will show other names. You can see here. You can see other names. Yes, sir. W, J, M, A is not there. And in operator is there. See, when you want to see multiple records, in where clause we have to write or like that we should write. Okay. So instead of giving or for many times, you can use in operator to give multiple values. In operator to give multiple values. Now here, select asterisk from EMP. So here you can see if I want to display second one, fourth one and sixth one. I want to display three records, like I want to pick records randomly. Then here I'll write like this. Select asterisk from EMB where employee number equal to 7499 or EMPNO equal to 7566 or employee number equal to 7698. So here I am writing or employee number equal to 7499 or employee number equal to, if I want to display 10 records, then query will be too long. So to reduce the length of the string query, we can use in operator. Now I use in operator. So here I will say select asterisk from EMP where EMPNO in where clause in operator in then 7499. Next one is 7566. And next one is 7698. Like this we are giving here. So it will show the same result. In operator, we are giving multiple employee numbers, 3 or 5 or 6, anything you can write. If I want to see two jobs here, I can write like this. So here I can say select asterisk from EMP where job in. Here I'll say manager and clerk. So two, instead of writing where job equal to manager or job equal to clerk, we are writing where job in. This is missing in two jobs. So we'll get clerks and managers, same result. And here you can say this. Next one is between and operator. So between and operator means here you can see between and end operator. Here you can give lower limit and upper limit. Okay, minimum and maximum value you can give. Minimum and maximum value you can give here. So here I am giving like this. So in where clause I am using between and operator. Here I'll say select asterisk from EMP where salary between 2000 and 3,000. So in where clause we are giving this? Salary between 2,000 and 3,000. You can see the employees having salary between 2,000 and 3,000 here. Here I'll write. If I want to get the list of employees joined in the year 1981, 1981, select asterisk from EMP where high date. High date means high date. They will hire employees. So date of joining. High date means date of joining. High date. So when they hire employees, that date they will take. So here high date between, and here I'll say 01 December 81 and 31st December 81. So here I am giving like this. So it will show the employees with this date. So it is giving 2 employees. Oh, sorry. I said December. Jan I'll give. Jan to December in 1 year. So it will show the list of employees with joining year of joining 81 from Jan to December. So here if I give like this, here if I give like this, 1981. If I give 1981, if I give century, will it work? No. Yes or no? No. Okay. What is the answer? Answer is yes. Now another question. Two thousand. 2081 ఎలాగవుతుంది? అది ఫ్యూచర్ డేట్ కదా అది, ఫ్యూచర్ డేటే కదా అది. ఇప్పుడు 81 అని ఉందంటే ఎప్పుడది 1981 కదా. ఇప్పుడు మనం 2025 లో ఉన్నాం, మీరేమన్నారు 20 అన్నారు కదా. ఫ్యూచర్ డేట్స్ మనం జనరల్ ఇవ్వం. అయినా మీకు ఏంటంటే మీరు తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఎలాగే తీసుకుంటారండి, డిస్ప్లే చేసినప్పుడు మీకు వేరేగా డిస్ప్లే చేసుకోవచ్చు, మీరు ఆ పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, see here I am giving Jan now. Jan I am giving like this 01 then 12. Instead of Jan 01 is given. Instead of December 12 is given. Instead of December 12 is given. If I give it like this, will it work? Yes or no? All no only. How many of say yes? All no. So here this is what, here your answer is correct. It is taking month in characters, it is taking. And here next is and is operator is there. So is operator is used to work with null values. Whenever you want to work with null values, you can use is operator. In commission column, null values are there. Only 4 employees are having commission. 4 salesmen are having commission, remaining null only. To get employees not having commission. Select asterisk from EMP where commission is null. Commission is null. So we are getting other employees not having commission. See there, no commission. If I want to get employees having commission, commission is not null, is not. Is not is operator, special operators. As I have told you, in, not in, between, and like, not like, is not. All these are special operators. So it is giving list of employees with commission. With commission. Please write the like operator. Please write start fast.
Hello, sir. Hello. Sir.
మీరు క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు కదా 20 అలా ఇవ్వచ్చు అంటే నేను ఇప్పుడు 2022 అని ఇచ్చాను అనుకోండి, అది 22 తీసుకుంటుంది. మీకు టేబుల్లో మీకు 2022 అని రావాలనుకోండి, డేట్ అని ఇవ్వకూడదు, స్ట్రింగ్ అని ఇవ్వాలి. స్ట్రింగ్ అని ఇస్తే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా మీకు విత్ సెంచరీ ఎలా కావాలో అలా వస్తుంది. డేట్ అంటే ఇలా మార్చేసుకుంటుంది. Which operator using which operator? In operator one. Hmm. We'll see that. So after in operator, next is between and operator. Right, between and operator. After in operator, next between and. సార్ చెప్పండి. సార్ నేను ఇప్పుడు బయట ఆఫీస్లో ఉన్నాను సార్. ఇవ్వండి. అవునా? అయ్యో, నేను మర్చిపోయింది, నేను బయట పెట్టేస్తాను. అవునవును. లేదు లేదు సార్. నేను ఈవినింగ్ వస్తాను. మిస్సెస్ 4:30 అలా వస్తుంది. వచ్చిన తర్వాత 4:30 ఓకే సార్. 4:30 ఇస్తారు. Listen, see with select statement we can use order by also. Order by we can use right order by. So we saw some examples using where clause select. Order by also is used in select only. Right? Heading is order by. Heading is order by. Listen, the use of order by is it is used to show the records in the table in ascending or descending order. Whenever you want to show the records in the table in ascending order, like from if they are alphabets from A to Z, it will show. Ascending order means names A to Z. Descending order means Z to A. And if they are numbers, ascending order means lowest value to highest value. Descending order means highest value to lowest value. So here this is the syntax. Select statement, order by column name, DSC is given. So DSC is optional. If you write order by column name, it is ascending order. It is only for display. So if you want to show the records in EMP table based on e-name. So when you see the records in this table here, records in EMP table are based on employee number. Employee numbers are in ascending order. Here you can see 7369, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So we may feel that numbers are not in ascending order, but employee numbers are in ascending order only. If I want to show names in ascending order, then here I'll say select asterisk from EMP, order by e-name. If I say order by e-name, it will show names in ascending order. Here you can see. So names starting with A, Adams, Blake, then Clark, Ford, James, King, Martin, Miller, Scott. So it is giving names from A to Z. In alphabetical order, it is giving. Name starting with A, then name starting with B, then name starting with C. So if I want to get salaries in ascending order, then here I'll give like this. Select asterisk from EMP, order by salary. Order by salary means minimum to maximum, lowest to highest. If I want to get highest to lowest, DESC. Highest to lowest will get 5,000, 3,000, like this will get. So with order by other comments are also there, right up to here now. Write the definition, write the syntax, and write these examples. See, those are going to lab now. Please practice all the queries. I think they have given paper, no? In the paper, many examples are many queries. You can do practice. And afternoon, 2 o'clock, we'll continue with order by and group by statements we'll discuss. So group by is very important. We'll see examples using group by also. Don't miss afternoon class. We'll see many other queries using group by. See, afternoon I'll send these files.